this is Harshendra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before going any further, I want you to see this video which I took in February. After that, I want you guys to meet Alan Anna, who helped me a lot for this journey. Hello everyone, this is Harshendra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a month since I uploaded my last video on YouTube. To be clear, it's 12th of February and I'm currently working on my next journey. So I've decided that I'm not gonna cut my hair till I complete this journey. So I don't know when I'm gonna execute or complete this journey, but my next journey will be cycling. I'm not revealing the place right now, but I'm currently working on it. Like, I've decided the place, but working on route plans. And I got a cycle sponsor, so I'm very thankful for them. And currently looking for sponsors for this food and other expenses. So I don't know, as I said, I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video, but hoping for the best. And yeah, thank you so much.
Hi everyone, good morning. I'm Alan Lewis. I represent the bike farm. It's in Udupi district. So we are having a dealership of so many brands. It's a multi-brand bicycle showroom. So you can come inside and see our products.
Okay,
So
let's go.
So right now we are dealing with the Firefox, Phoenix, and other brands are also there. So we have recently started Scott Sales and Service. So this is a wonderful brand. It's a renowned brand, everyone knows. So this is our showroom, a part of showroom, and we keep our stock and some of the high-end bicycles elsewhere. That is in one more room is there.
Okay.
So there we keep. You can have a look. There are a lot of brands right now. It's popular and a nice.
Pausing.
91 bicycles. That is by Vector. And so many brands are there, Chase, Cosmic, and Bosky. They're all nice brands actually. And we have like bicycles for kids and MTBs of various sizes, as well as hybrids and road bikes. So yeah, MTBs are very popular because students and young ones, they prefer MTBs, and they are good to ride, very sturdy. And also cycling enthusiasts, they usually prefer hybrid bicycles. There are a number of bicycles, you can have a look.
Yes.
This is Harshendra's bike, a nice bike actually gifted from our the bike farm. All the promoters and some of our friends, we came together and we donated him a nice bike. It's a nice bike material. And the thing is, we will be doing some modifications because he is planning to go for a long ride, actually cross country, and I think he is planning to go for an international ride.
Yes.
So many countries. So we are doing some modifications, like we'll be changing the derailleurs, even all the crank, chain, all those things.
Okay.
And this bike will be fitted with the carrier and lights and some of the gadgets, because he has to carry his luggage, and some of the modifications are very essential. So that we will be doing, and he is also taking some training in maintaining the bicycle. So he has plans of traveling about 8,000 kilometers, and the machine has to sustain all the terrains and weight and all the weather. The entire thing has to sustain, so we have to make it ready. Maybe after the monsoons we will be modifying this bicycle, and this is a good bicycle and he also enjoys the ride. The main thing to support him is because he has got some thoughts of adventure, and it is nice, because the young ones, many youngsters, they are wasting the time and they have got lot of potentials. Whereas Harshendra, we, lot of our friends also, our friend circle, we found it that he is good, he is very hard working, and he is ready to take challenges. That is a good thing about him. So we liked, because he has already finished his solo walk to Kashmir. So this is now his plan. I think he is going to visit some 5 to 6 countries outside India. So it's so nice, but it is again risky, also needs lot of support. So some of our friends and all have come together, and we gave him a bicycle, and we are supporting, because he is from our place, he is from Udupi district. That is the main thing, and a youngster. So it is our duty. So we are doing our duty by supporting, and I like people who are very adventurous. That is a nice thing actually. So all the trekking, camping, and all those things, adventurous things, we like it very much. So all the best to Harshendra.
Thank you.
So he is doing good. Actually, he is practicing every day bicycle ride about 30, 40,
Yes.
50 kilometers. He is doing with his friends, I think, and all the terrains, rough terrains and all he is tackling. That is a nice thing. We also sell a lot of products like sports products and fishing. Some of the fishing equipments like fishing rods and all, and safety equipment. Also helmets and all the bicycle accessories are available with us.
As he mentioned in the video, this is the cycle they gifted me, Alan Anna and his best friends. And thank you, Alan Anna and his best friends. And about Alan Anna, how I know him, it's a very strange story actually. There was this event by Rotary Club Brahmavara. Accidentally he was there, and they were recognizing me for that Karnataka to Kashmir solo walk. And he got my contact from someone else, and he contacted me and asked about my next journey. So at that time my plan was to do K to K, Kerala to Kashmir by cycling, but I was about to do by going into a scrap shop and repairing my cycle. I was totally in budget, around for 5,000 I can get a cycle from scrap shop, and tires, everything. After that I explained him about that, and he said he owns a cycle shop in Santagatte. So he gave me 3 different cycles for practice. We've done Tour di Malnad and some Murdeshwara, some other trips, and finally they gave me this, a beautiful machine actually, and not a machine, I have to pedal this. And he helped me a lot. So this cycle is around 40,000, and accessories worth around again 20 to 25,000. So almost they spent me around 60,000. So thank you so much. And about my next journey, so as you have seen the title and thumbnail, I'm planning to do an international ride from Kerala to Singapore. Yes, you heard me right, to Singapore. You might ask, is there road available? Yes, there is road available. My plan is to ride from Kerala to Kashmir. From Kashmir I'll head to Manali. From Manali I'll enter Nepal. If Bhutan is open, I'll enter that, or else I'll just pass through Myanmar, then Malaysia, Thailand, then Singapore. It's around 6 months plan. I can reach, like if I continuously travel, I can reach within 3 months, but this time I want to explore more, so I'm planning to do this ride around 6 months. But if I got sponsors, more sponsors, might extend to Cambodia, or I don't know. I have some places in mind, and yeah, and also Alenanna said he's gonna meet me in some place, and he also gave me full about this cycle. He gave me 2 years of free service plus accessories. So let me show you. Wait. So this is the cycle they gave me, and there will be some modifications. There will be back saddlebags, front saddlebags, and they're gonna change this gear shifters to normal shifters. These are micro shifters, and they're gonna give me one spare tire, and yeah, almost everything will be changed. And yeah, yes, that's about the cycle. And this is where I'm gonna need your help. So last time my theme was dream. So why I took that, because if like every day I pass through 100 people, if any one of them just follows that, that's all I care. So this time also I have a theme in mind. It's about blood donation. As a volunteer blood donator, I wanted to do that also, but at the same time I want you guys to select one theme for my journey. And for example, save earth, save soil. Sadhguru is doing save soil almost throughout the world. Not throughout the world, he's traveling more than 35,000 kilometers by bike. So if you wanted to do that, like want me to do that also, I can do that. But please comment down below what you guys think. And this is the video. And yeah, this the entire budget of this travel is around 3 to 4 lakhs estimated. I don't know exactly, but Nepal is very expensive. After that, Myanmar is cheap, I think. And Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore is always next level. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.